My name is Charles Tran with The Novice Builder.
Before constructing a strong house, a solid foundation is essential. One of the key steps in preparing the ground is compaction, compressing the soil to provide stability and prevent future settlement. This process will be explained step by step. The first step is site preparation. The construction area is cleared of vegetation, debris, and loose soil to ensure a clean working surface. Any soft or unstable soil is removed to create a stable base. To achieve optimal compaction, the moisture content of the soil is assessed. If the soil is too dry, water is added. If it is too wet, it is allowed to dry before the compaction process begins. The soil is then spread in thin layers, typically between 6 and 12 inches thick. Compacting in small, controlled layers ensures uniform density and prevents weak spots. Once the soil is prepared, the compaction process begins. Different equipment is used depending on the type of soil. Vibratory plate compactors for sandy and gravelly soil, sheep's foot rollers for clay and cohesive soil, smooth drum rollers for general compaction. The machine applies force, reducing air pockets and increasing soil density, ensuring a firm foundation. After compaction, density tests are performed to confirm that the soil meets the required 90 to 95% compaction level. If the results do not meet the standard, the moisture content is adjusted and the soil is recompacted. Once testing verifies proper compaction, the foundation is ready for construction. A well-compacted base ensures a strong and stable structure. Here's a time lapse of the process. And that's it. The soil compaction is now complete, making the foundation stable and ready for the next stage. Up next, plumbing installation. This is where underground pipes and drainage systems will be set in place before the foundation is poured. Be sure to check out the links in the description below to watch my complete playlist, or by subscribing to my channel, you'll gain access to all my in-depth tutorials, DIY projects, and step-by-step guides. If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave them in the description box below. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on my upcoming projects and videos.